If you're looking for the best bicycle seat post, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll help you find the perfect seat post to enhance your cycling experience. Whether you're seeking comfort, durability, or performance, we've got you covered. We've analyzed features, performance, and user reviews to bring you the ultimate guide to the top 5 bicycle seat posts on the market. We've done all the hard work researching hundreds of products, so you don't have to. From innovative shock absorbers to lightweight carbon designs, you'll find the ideal option for your needs. Stay tuned as we reveal the top picks and explain why they stand out. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below for more details and the best deals. Number 5. The Zoom Mountain Bike Damping Shock Seat Post is perfect for mountain bikers seeking added comfort on rugged trails. Made from durable aluminum, this seat post features a shock-absorbing design that reduces vibrations and enhances riding comfort. With a length of 350 millimeters and multiple diameter options, it suits a wide range of MTB frames. Its lightweight build and sturdy construction make it a great choice for tackling rough terrain. Pros: excellent shock absorption, durable aluminum material, and multiple diameter options. Cons: slightly heavier compared to carbon models, limited adjustability. Number 4. The TOSEEK ZF1 Carbon Seat Post is a sleek, lightweight option for MTB and road bike riders. Made from premium carbon fiber with an aluminum alloy head, it weighs just 200 to 240 g. Its matte black finish adds style, while its 0mm offset ensures efficient power transfer. Available in multiple lengths and diameters, it fits most bikes effortlessly and supports up to 120 kilograms, making it a versatile and reliable choice. Pros: lightweight carbon build, stylish design, and high weight capacity. Cons: higher price point, no shock absorption feature. Number 3. The SAFORT 580mm folding bicycle seat post offers exceptional versatility for folding bikes, scooters, and gravel road bikes. Its innovative 4-link suspension system ensures a smoother ride by absorbing shocks effectively. With a robust alloy construction and additional tools like a protective sleeve and wrenches, it's a practical choice for commuters and adventurers alike. Pros: superior shock absorption, versatile design, and included accessories. Cons: bulkier design may not suit lightweight setups, limited color options. Number 2. The EXAFORM 900i Dropper Seat Post is an excellent choice for MTB riders looking for seamless height adjustment during rides. With internal routing and remote wire control, it offers a sleek and convenient setup. The alloy build ensures durability, while the multiple length options cater to different preferences. It's perfect for tackling varying terrains with ease. Pros: smooth height adjustment, internal cable routing, and durable construction. Cons: installation may require technical knowledge, slightly heavier than non-dropper models. Number 1. The SILVEROCK Carbon Adjustable Front Rear Seat Post stands out for its adjustability and premium carbon fiber build. Designed for folding bikes like Brompton and Dahon, it's lightweight and durable. Its 600mm length and multiple diameter options make it compatible with various frames. The sleek design adds elegance while improving overall cycling performance. Pros: lightweight carbon construction, high adjustability, and premium finish. Cons: higher price, may not suit non-folding bikes.